Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200 blender. I've been testing this blender for quite some time now, and I'll be sharing my in-depth experiences with you. Let's start with an overview. The Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200 is designed to be a powerhouse in blending, featuring a robust 1200-watt motor. It comes with two blending cups, a 32 ounces oversized cup and a 24 ounces tall cup, both equipped with to-go lids and comfort lip rings for convenience. Moving on to its design, the Pro Plus 1200 sports a sleek black body with silver accents. It's compact and stylish, fitting well on any countertop. I particularly like the twist-to-blend mechanism, which starts blending as soon as you twist the cup onto the base. Now, let's talk performance. This blender excels at creating super smooth smoothies. I've tested it with various ingredients like frozen berries and almonds, and it consistently delivers smooth results. One standout feature is the pulse button, perfect for achieving the ideal consistency, whether you're making salsa or a chunky dip like hummus. It's important to note that the Pro Plus 1200 isn't the quietest blender out there. During my tests, it measured around 93.3 decibels, which is louder compared to quieter models like the Nutribullet Ultra. This blender handles tough ingredients admirably, like ice and nuts. It's capable of crushing ice effectively, making it versatile for a range of recipes from smoothies to snow cones. Cleaning the Pro Plus 1200 is straightforward. The cups and blades are dishwasher safe, but I found that rinsing them immediately after use with warm, soapy water keeps them in top condition. In comparison to other Nutribullet models, like the Pro 900 and the Ultra, the Pro Plus 1200 offers a good balance of power and price. It's more affordable than the Ultra but packs more punch than the Pro 900. Wrapping up, the Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200 is a solid choice. If you're looking for a blender that can handle tough ingredients and consistently produce smooth results, its pulse function and powerful motor make it a versatile tool in the kitchen. Whether you're blending smoothies, making dips, or crushing ice, remember, it's not the quietest option out there. But if performance and functionality are your priorities, this blender delivers. That wraps up our review of the Nutribullet Pro Plus 1200. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and kitchen gadget insights on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.